Where do they go? What habitat is important for them? How much food they need to eat? These are all questions that for most animals we know, and for this species we have almost next to no information. Pacific sleeper sharks are a large polar deep water species of shark. They're found pretty much throughout the whole Pacific Ocean. They potentially live anywhere from 250 to 512 years.
It's one of the least known, most understudied, and maybe most underappreciated species of sharks.
And now we're trying to get a glimpse of these amazing creatures.
Here in this project, we're actually piloting a few new techniques and experimental approaches.
We're putting cameras down, a big benthic lander that has a suite of different sensors on it that could tell us visually what's down in these depths.
We can also learn a lot about them, especially with genetic information. We're kind of coupling these different types of technology. So we have Marcus's drop cam system, and then we have cost-effective 3D printed devices that look like little rocket ships, where we're actually passively collecting environmental DNA. You can actually sample DNA from the environment itself, in this case, water. And so it's a really cool way to get a glimpse and survey biodiversity using DNA alone from environmental samples.
Why should people care about sleeper sharks? Well, because potentially they may play a really important role in our local marine ecosystems, especially in coastal areas. While the conventional wisdom is that sleeper sharks are benthic scavengers or bottom-dwelling scavengers, and as a result, the conventional wisdom is they don't really influence marine ecosystem structures or food web structures very much, and we think that's an outdated view.
What we've seen again and again is that sharks, in particular, can really drive ecosystems. And so understanding their biology is actually critical to maintaining the health of the entire ecosystem.
In Alaska, where climate change is happening 4 times the rate as other places, we don't have time to just sit around and wait. We need to be collecting biodiversity information as quickly and as cost effectively as possible.